Hello and welcome. This is the second video of the series Decoding AI with Python, and here we are going to explore the magic of backslash. So here we are going to explore two things. The first one is backslash n and the second one is backslash t. So these are basically the Python escape sequences, and that's what we are going to explore in this particular video. So let's get started. So the code that we are exploring up over here, as you can see on the screen, is the first one, hashtag demo of backslash, similarly followed by 4 print statements. The first print statement print capital ABC with backslash n. The second print statement prints small abc, the lowercase, with the backslash n. Then the third print statement prints caps uppercase abc with backslash t. And again the fourth one lowercase abc with backslash t. So let's explore how it is working. So this is the code that we are going to explore. I'll zoom it for you. So here you can see the first statement is the comment hashtag demo of backslash. Then we have got 4 print statements. The first 2 print statements are printing capital ABC and small abc with backslash n, as you can see. And similarly, the third and the fourth print statement are printing ABC, capital and small, using backslash t. So when I run the code, click on the execute command up over here, and you can see the first 2 statements print ABC with backslash n. They are printing onto the next lines. And similarly, when I'm printing with backslash t, it is printing onto with a tab space. So let's understand it line by line. So the first statement that you are seeing, demo of backslash, which is the comment. So comment is basically an introduction about the work done. Okay, so you need to understand this like a comment is an introduction about to the work done by the user. So whatever the work the user has done, what it is all about. So this is giving a small introduction about it. This does not execute. So when the compiler on the interpreter, in case of over here in Python, interpreter is there, which decodes all the instructions line by line. Interpreter is there. So this decodes basically all instructions line by line, one line at a time. So it does not execute the comment. So it already knows that the comment is something that has to be ignored. And what we are talking about first is the backslash n. So this is basically the new line, as you can see, as you have seen in the output window also. So on the print statement, I am using backslash n in between the letters A, B and C. So I'm getting the output like this. They are getting printed in separate lines. So here you need to see that print will display the output on the screen, the print function, as you have already explored in the first video. Similarly, backslash n is going to start every string like from a new line. And if you remember, string was a group of characters that I've already told you in the previous video. So it can be any name, like first name, last name. It can include both of them. So similarly, up over here, A will be printed, then one line break, like coming on to the next line, as you can see. And then B will be printed, then again line break, so like coming on to the next line, and then again printing C. So this is how this particular statement is working. Similarly, the next one that we have is backslash T, and as you can see, this is going to give the tab spaces, like the horizontal spacing. So what we have done is, inside the print statement, we have written A, B, C along with backslash T. So this is the output that you can see how we'll get it. And here it says like tab backslash T inserts a tab. So it's basically a horizontal space. So instead of moving to the new line, it simply jumps out a few steps. And it's easy whenever we want to, just display it like into the form of columns. So these are the key takeaways. Backslash n takes you to the new line. Backslash t takes you to the new tab, like horizontal spacing. And so what's the, why we are saying like let's learn about the magic backslash. So here you need to see like backslash n and backslash t. Think of them as secret magic codes, hiding inside your text. Secret magic codes hiding inside your text. So whenever, something starts with a backslash, so it's like a magic wand. The backslash itself is like a magic wand that that says something like something special is coming next. So here as you can see we have used backslash n and backslash t, so they have a separate meaning and they do something interesting for the user on the output that the user is about to get. So here as you can see, uh, we have just simply added this magic wand in before this letter N. So we are getting vertical spaces. Similarly, we have added this magic wand before T. So we are getting horizontal spaces. Likewise, how this is gonna relate to the AI. So as you are already exploring the world of AI and robotics, so here all the chatbots that you are using, and you are using AI in all different forms, what you find is everything is neat and organized. How that is being done is with these tiny things that you have just explored and reading at scales. The AI system reads a millions of stories and websites and symbols. So what they basically search for, they search for backslash n and backslash t, just to mark where the sentence has started, where some new idea has started. Similarly, whenever we are interacting with them, so then also they are just organizing everything with these only backslash n and backslash t. So these are like small steps and followed by big ideas. So right now you see like as you are learning this code for the first time, so you are finding it very simple thing, the use of backslash n and backslash t. But when you are looking at to the real life scenarios, working with the AI and the chatbots are using it in every conversation with millions of number of times, so that is turning into big ideas. Similarly, like all the self-driving cars that you would have seen, so they are also like a big project, and they are just still starting from the very basic steps.